Hello guys, welcome to this amazing space. This is Mommy and ST. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this Miss Herb water for my daughter's head. A lot of people have been asking me, what are you using to grow your daughter's head? Here come the remedy. Get your pen and get your biro to write all the items down. Yes, first of all, I'm going to use onions. Yeah, onions is a great way to promote health growth. If you're always having problem with head loss and dandruff, always make use of onions. I also going to add rice. Rice help to reduce hair tangles and it make hair smoother. You can be using it once in a week. Yes, I'm also going to use bay leaf. Bay leaf work wonderful way to strangle down dandruff and stop itching scalp. Apply this in a scalp once in a week. Is going to help you to reduce whatsoever dandruff on your head. Anything that will make your hair to be strangled is going to remove it. Always applying it together with the onions juice. You can apply it once or 2 times in a week. Yeah, I'm also going to add my clove. You know that clove is very, very wonderful and powerful on the hair. I'm also going to add my cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the ingredients that work wonders. Here come my black cardamon. I also add rosemary. I also add my sesame seed. Yes, sesame seed contain essential nutrients that work wonders in strengthening your hair and keep it healthy. So after that, you can fill it with water like this. You are going to leave it. Yes, I also add my carrot oil, very, very important. So after that, I close it and I keep it for the whole day. I prepare this in the night and I leave it like 3 or 4 days before I start making use of it. You can also leave your own like 1 week, allow everything to settle down. Here come after the 3 days, I'm going to filter the water. Yeah, one thing you need to know, when you always be using all this natural herb, especially the way I mix it on your hair, is going to help to grow your hair faster, remove dandruff, and also strengthen your hair, remove whatsoever that will make your hair to be strangled all the time. If you are always experiencing hair falling, when you are using it, my dear, your hair is going to be thicker and be fuller every day by day. Yes, you can also fill it with another water. When you have removed the first water, you can also fill it with another water and keep it for another time. Here I'm putting it inside the rubber, the spray rubber. I'm going to be using it at least once or 2 times in a week on my daughter's hair to help the hair to be look smooth, to remove whatsoever that will make the hair strangle. Yes, so this is my daughter ST. This is her hair. Yeah, her hair is full. I managed to make sure that her hair look like this. I'm using all these natural items. They work wonders. Yeah, I'm putting the spray on her hair like this. Make sure that when you are putting it, let it touch every corner, up and down, especially the skull, the scalp, making sure that everything enter very well. The ingredients, all the things that you miss, make sure that you use it to put on your hair, especially down the skull of your hair, the way I am doing it right now. This is it. I still also be doing it because I really want all this natural herb, all the ingredients to enter the hair very, very well, to make it to look smooth. Look at how the hair is shining already. Wow. So you can be doing your own like this in your house. It's very, very good. After that, I'm trying to moisturize the hair, use my hand to make sure that all the ingredients enter inside the hair very well the way I want it. It take a whole of day for us to make this hair look nice and beautiful, because it is very good when you have a daughter like this and you want to grow her hair. My dear, this is the best way to grow her hair, using all the natural items that God created. Yes, in case you are seeing us for the first time, this is our first video. Kindly to subscribe to our channel, join this family. I have a lot of natural home remedy to share with you guys, for hair, for skin, and also if you are the lovers of spiritual tools, kindly go to my Facebook, Miss Jemima. I have a lot of video how you can use natural items that God create to make your way open. Yeah, look at what I'm doing. I'm trying to, comb the hair. See, one thing I love this natural mishap. When you use it on your hair, it's going to make your hair to be softy, smooth. Yeah, if you are the type that when you are combing your hair, it will tangle, it will not let you comb, my dear. After putting this, you will see that your hair is going to be smooth and soft, and it's going to allow you to comb it very well. So I try to be stretching the hair. This is what I did all over the day. I stretched the hair very, very well, one by one. I'm not going to be showing you guys how I did all of them, but here is the little one I'm showing you guys right now. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Bye.